Welcome everyone to today's video. Today we are going to dive into a fascinating problem related to logging in Rust. The problem at hand involves understanding how the log crate handles different logger implementations and what happens when multiple loggers are defined simultaneously. It's a bit of a mystery, so let's unravel it together. Now, let's talk about the solution to our logging problem. Under the hood, specific logger implementations will call log. Set_logger to install the logger globally. Log maintains a global static and dyn_log variable that holds a reference to the current logger. The interesting part is that log doesn't allow replacing the global logger once it's installed, and trying to do so will result in a failure. This means that having multiple active loggers at the same time is not possible. In summary, we've looked at how the log crate handles logger implementations and what occurs when multiple loggers are defined concurrently. The log crate maintains a global logger reference and ensures that only one logger can be active at a time. It's a fascinating glimpse into the inner workings of Rust logging mechanisms. I hope you enjoyed this exploration of logging in Rust. Remember to like, subscribe, and leave a comment below with your thoughts. Until next time, happy coding!